Hi, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I'd like to show you how to clean a Sunbrella cushion. Welcome to my shop. Alright, well, there's a lot of different ways you can clean the Sunbrella cushions. The tried and true way that I've done my own actually, and seems to work pretty good for routine maintenance, is I mix up a 1/4 cup of Dawn dishwashing detergent. You can also use a mild dishwashing detergent of your own preference, or even laundry detergent works pretty good also. Just use it pretty sparingly, it's pretty strong. And then they recommend a cup of bleach per gallon of water, especially if you're trying to remove mildew. You can also look at a lot of instructions on Sunbrella.com. There's a lot of different stains that they give you specific instructions, to be able to remove those stains. Distilled vinegar is one of them. And some others. So check that out sometime if you have a specific stain you want to get rid of. But for your routine maintenance, the mild detergent, and then if you want to add that cup of bleach. So you want to scrub down the cushion like this. Take care of any dirt that you see. We had a little stain in the middle, that's why I chose this cushion. It seems to be coming out already. It wasn't too tough a stain. So you want to do that and then finish going around all the sides. Next part's the toughest one. You got to sit and let it wait about 5 minutes. What the idea is you're going to let that soak in there and let the bleach become effective, in cleaning any mildew that's in there. So you want to let that thing sit for about 5 minutes and then come back and do your rinsing. Much completed the task, and the cushion's coming out pretty good. We'll leave this to air dry now. Usually on the side is the best way. It seems to drain better by doing it this way. And the zipper also, if you have a zipper on your cushion, put the zipper at the bottom. It seems to drain through the zipper pretty well. And you can also you can release the zipper, also get a little airflow going that way. Well, that's how you clean the Sunbrella cushions. Pretty simple task. I hope this is helpful and your cushions come out looking great. Thanks for watching.